So hey guys, I am Jaydeep here. Today I'll be talking about what you should do in your vacation. Okay, so it's more than 1 month now after your GATE exam, and I hope you have relaxed very well. So now let's get back to the business. So the first thing which I would like you to recommend is that please go through the linear algebra course of Gilbert Strang on the YouTube. See this video of this playlist of 35 videos is what you need to watch for the linear algebra. Now there might be few topics which you will think, okay, these are not essential or you won't be needing in the future, but I would recommend that please still do the those videos also, right? These are only 35 videos of almost around 1 hour, but these will really help you to develop your intuition for the linear algebra. Because if you want to pursue your career in ML or the AI, then it's really necessary that you should have a sound understanding of the linear algebra and good intuition for the concepts, right? So this will help you to develop that, right? Because in GATE I know that the linear algebra is asked at a uh, very basic level, and the questions are not that difficult at all. So please do this thing in keep this thing in mind and do the linear algebra course. Okay, now while doing the linear algebra course, it might happen that you may not be able to get a good intuitions each and every time. So what I would recommend is that you should do the this three blue one brown playlist also for the linear algebra. It's 15 videos, but these are hardly of 10 to 12 minutes. But what's the best is that it will give you geometrical understanding about how things are working, right? Like what are the eigenvalues, what are the eigenvectors, what's their importance. It's just not enough that you should know that if x is an eigenvector, then x is equals to lambda x. No, that's not how things works, right? So in order to get a good intuition, please watch these videos also. It will really help you to get good understanding, right? Now next comes the probability part. Okay, now till the gate what we have learned is very basic level of probability, which were we didn't learn much of a new things apart from what we have studied in our 11th and 12th or for the JE, right? But the things like the multinomial distributions or the multivariate Gaussian distribution or various new things like that you will encounter in this course, right? The statistics 110. If you do this course very thoroughly, you will definitely have very good edge, because see, there are many things in machine learning where you will need probability very uh, uh, at a like a little higher than what you know, right? Like the multinomial distributions or the multivariate Gaussian distributions or various things are there, right? So those things will be required, like the basic course in ISC of machine learning will start by assuming that you know those things very well, right? So it's very necessary that you should know the probability, and this course is very well structured and it's phenomenal to understand more about the probability. So please do this course very thoroughly, right? Now this is numerical optimization. Okay, I guess it's 20. These videos were made in 2012 or 2011. I don't remember exactly, but the best thing about this course is that you will learn a lot about the optimization. Okay, in machine learning, each and every mathematical formulation will be like this only, like minimize something something. Okay, like the loss function would be there, and you will be having the constant like uh, you have will have many inequalities and the equalities constants. Okay, so those things will be there. Now in order to understand them, it's very necessary that you should know how the optimization is done and what are the ways to do so, right? Say because we in during gate we never learned about these things, right? And this course is so intuitive, like you will definitely love about how the various theorems has been proposed, and the professor which is teaching in this video will take you through lots of examples, so you'll definitely develop a very good understanding. One of the reasons is that, see, in classical ML, right? We have SVM. Now SVM is something which has ruled in ML for decades, or like more than decades. But it's because of the thing, people like the primal optimization problem were able to convert into the dual optimization problem, right? So this is, you might think what these things are, but just listen. Like the primal means you have one format of representing the problem, and dual is some other format of representing the problem. But the thing is, the solution for both of them will be same. So because the mathematician were able to convert the primal problem into the dual problem, the things become so easy, and that's the reason why SVM ruled the machine learning for decades. But in order to understand why these things means how this the primal to dual conversion happens, you need to know the optimization, because it comes from the optimization, and rather the playlist covers these things also, how to convert primal problem to dual problem, right? So please do this also. It's very interesting, and I guarantee you, you will definitely enjoy this. And the here comes the thing. Now the coding. Okay. See, uh, the above things, like this course is mainly for those which are very interested in ML. Okay, MLAI. For them, this is really, really very helpful. And even though if you don't know where you want to go, like into the systems, into the AI ML field, or into the theoretical field, still it's very good course and will help you to enhance your mathematical skills regarding the optimization. Now comes to it comes to the coding. See, most of the companies like the Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Mastercard, most of the ML AI related companies don't go for the coding round now these days, right? Our internships are going on, and most of these companies didn't took the coding round. But if you are planning to go into the systems, right, like the OS related, or properties of distributed systems, or the virtualization, or these kind of profiles, in that case your coding is very much needed. Okay, the coding is very important in that case, and the best way to get your good understanding of the coding is the website called as lead code. Okay, now the lead code has multiple uh, various good things, like it has problems already sorted on the basis of the difficulty. Like here you can see I had done the 319 problem, and these many were easy, medium, and hard. Not only that, it will allow you to see the things based on the dynamic programming, based on the greedy algorithms, graph algorithms, questions based on array. So those things are also possible. Okay, so it's really good platform to learn about the coding. And C, you can do coding in any language you want to. I would recommend the C++. Okay, don't go for C. Okay, because the hash maps, the vectors, and all those things are not there, and it's very difficult to write them by your own. Okay, so keep that thing in mind. So STL in C++ basically provides you very handy features, like implementation of a vector, or the queues, or the heaps. Okay, they are already there. And C++ is really, really fast when it comes to the compiling, right? So if you want to do it in C++, you can do it in Java or Python also. That's your choice. But most of the people do in C++ at here also. So this is the channel STL in C++, is the playlist. The channel name is CPP Nuts. Okay, so you can do this playlist. This person has actually covered very interesting how the things are uh, implemented inside those libraries also. So you can do that, and please guys do this. Okay, now you have enjoyed for the 1 month, and it's time for you to get back to your work, right? It will make things hell lot easier when you will be coming into your MTech. Okay, and believe me, these are really, really worth to do things, right? I would say that you would learn more from these than anything else, right? So please do this. And sorry, I have made video very late. Okay, take care. Bye.